Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check CPU temperature on Windows. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to press Ctrl, Shift and Escape all together and you'll be able to see Task Manager open in front of you. If you're not able to use these keys combination, then you're going to press Search and type in Task Manager and you'll be able to see Task Manager. Over here, you're going to click on Performance at the left side and then you'll be able to see CPU. Click on that. Note that Windows 11 doesn't show temperature over here, but you can monitor usage and performance. For actual temperature, we need the third-party app. For that, you can download one of the free apps such as Open Hardware Monitor. You can simply go to any search bar and type in Open Hardware Monitor download and simply download the zip file. After that, you could extract the zip file, and when you open that, you'll be able to see an application. Simply run that application and then you'll be able to check your CPU temperature from here. So that's how you can check CPU temperature on Windows. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.